Here are my top 3 viral home building videos for May. New ick unlocked. Having to call a locksmith to do what you can do in less than 20 seconds. If you have a quick set lock with this tiny slot, it means you have the power to rekey the lock yourself. Normally you'd have to call a locksmith out to rekey your entire house, or replace the locks altogether. If not, who knows how many people have a key to your house right now. This quick set feature is perfect for new construction or renovation, so you know after the project is finished, you'll be the only one with the key. You could have rekeyed your lock by the time it took you to watch this video. Go to quickset.com to see the full lineup. Let's settle a debate. You can use white lithium, which is this right here, or silicone. I prefer using the silicone over the white lithium because the white lithium leaves all this residue behind. And this is what it looks like after a few months of that residue sitting on there. You can see all the bugs stuck to it. From here on out, I'll be using the silicone because instead of that, it'll be looking all nice and clean like that. So let me know in the comments, let's settle this thing. Which one do you prefer using on your garage doors? And make sure you're following along so you're the first to see next month's viral videos.